Hi, this is Dan Fernback with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. I'm standing here on the Azimut 51 Atlantis. Let's take a look. First thing you're going to notice is the large bow. You get large cushions that go over here, and then also a canopy can go up and act as a shaded component. Very large gunnels. Windshield with no partition. And you'll notice some of the boats that are out there, you have to walk over cushions to get to the aft from either side. On this one, you have direct access from either side to board the boat and move to the bow. You're going to have a hydraulic swim platform, a grill that gets put away as well. And then you're going to have a tender garage, or you can use it as a ton of storage. Large starboard side stairs to walk up. And one of the staples with Azimut is their lounging and kind of cruising towards the Italian countryside. And that's brought over to North America very, very well with this Azimut 510 Atlantis. It has a very Italian feel. A lot of light colors, airy, a lot of space. And one of the nice features, big, huge wraparound seating. And it's kind of tough once in a while to get in and out with the tables, but this is on hinges. Folds up for easy access. Another creature comfort is you have a television that pops out from here. You have the sink. You have a refrigerator and ice maker. And the helm is something special. The attention to detail, the carbon fiber graphite back inlay, the large Raymarine screen, the Volvo command link, and that's going to be also used for the IPS drives. This boat is 2 pods. Even the stitching on the captain's chairs, if you look over here, say Azimut on the back, it's very impressive. If you want to pan around and see all the natural light and the glass with almost no partitions. Moving downstairs. One of the things that Azimut does is their style. And everything from the Miele appliances, to the styling of the couches. One of the things that's underestimated that you don't even realize is that there's actually some magnets that go back here to hold these in place, just like that. Another big coffee table that turns into a regular kitchen table as well. This is a 3 stateroom boat. Forward, you're going to have the V-berth. The V-berth has its own head and shower, and it's not a wet head. Aft, you're going to have your day head and shower, also not a wet head. You're going to have 2 staterooms back there. And then the bunks. Each bunk has its own television as well. For more information on the Azimut 51 Atlantis, my name is Dan Fernback. You can reach me at 908-330-2727. Thank you.